Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Milani Gold here. Today I'm going to show you how I lay my frontals, my wigs, using the stocking cap method. If you have been on YouTube, Instagram for a bit now, the stocking cap method has been literally everywhere. People are using it to like lay their frontals, people are using it to lay their wigs. So I'm like, you know what, let me try this. Let's see what this hype is all about. Hey, it's not bad. Like, it is a lot of work. It's a lot of unnecessary work, but it's not bad. Like, if you have the time, because it literally takes a lot of time. If you have the time, I think you could definitely do it. I don't got the time for all that because I got things to do. And this hair that I'm wearing is from MilaGoldCollection.com. This is Italian curly. I've had this hair for so long. This is probably like 6 months of having this hair. It is really nice. On the website there's a sale going on, so it's about 40% off for anyone that wanted to take advantage of the sale. The sale is only until supplies last. I'm wearing 22, 24, 24 4 packs, and I have a frontal, like a 20-inch frontal, so it's pretty full and it's really nice. I love this. Okay, so you want to start off with really flat hair. I just scarfed my hair down the night before. Then I'm going to take my Ebin NewYork. It's a hair gel. This is the best gel if you have coarse hair. This gel will tame your hair, okay? You see how well it sleeks my hair all the way back? So then I'm going to take the stocking wig cap, and I couldn't find a color that matched my scalp, so I just took this one, and I'm just gonna put foundation on it. So I'm gonna take my Got To Be glue, and I'm gonna apply that to the perimeters of my hair. And you want to apply a good amount because you want it to be able to stick to the wig cap. You'll see what I'm talking about in a bit. So I'm taking the wig cap, and guys, one mistake I made was I didn't put the wig cap, like I could have just pulled it across over my ears, if that makes sense, but I didn't know that I could do that. So I thought that the wig cap, like I just made a mistake. So don't be like me. With the wig cap, you could always put it across your ears and cut it, but I didn't think to do that, so that was kind of a mistake I made. So then I'm applying my Got To Be spray, and this is gonna hold it even more. I'm spraying that on the wig cap, and then I'm gonna hold both sides just to keep it from rolling and keep both sides from sticking. So I'm gonna hold both sides just to make sure they're sticking together. Then I'm gonna take a blow dryer, and I'm going to blow dry my hair for about 30 minutes. It looks short in the video, but trust me, I was blow drying my hair for a long time. Alright, so I'm gonna cut the stocking cap, and as you can see, there's still some parts that are like not glued down. What I'm gonna do is I'm either gonna cut those parts out, or I'm gonna apply more gel to them. Just to make sure everything is nice and flat. I'm using my hands to make sure everything is nice and flat and there's no parts rolling out, because if it's rolling out, it will show on the wig, on your frontal. So I'm going to take my Studio Fix MAC powder, and I'm just going to use that. That is my skin color. So I'm applying that on the wig cap, and I'm applying it all the way back to where the frontal ends, so that when the parts that the frontal will show will look like my scalp color. Alright, so I'm taking my wig, and this is the wig from the MilaGoldCollection.com. I have the wig, I have it made into a wig, and I use the frontal. Then I'm going to apply more gel to the hair. So I'm applying a little bit more gel, and this is just to stick the frontal on, like this will allow the frontals to stay on my head. What I'm going to do also is I'm using the end of a toothbrush to make sure that the parts are not rolled, because honestly guys, if you can take anything out of this video, make sure that your wig cap is not rolling, because that will mess up your entire application process. Alright, so I'm placing my wig on the hair. The wig has been pre-plucked and bleached by me, so I already created like baby hairs and stuff. So what you just do is I'm just placing that on the hair, and I'm gonna work on the parts that are like sticking out. I'm gonna fix the baby hair and just work with the glue. I think I added a little bit too much glue, so I advise you not to put too much glue. Like when you put the glue that is gonna stick to the frontal. Just don't apply too much, be careful. I'm just laying my baby hair and I'm playing around with it. Honestly, I still need to learn how to create like really good baby hairs. Like, kind of struggled with this part. Like, I'm not the best, but I just did what I could. And like I said, like, this method is okay. There's definitely better ways to lay your hair, like without this extra hassle and stuff like that, and I will make a video about that. I never really use glue to lay my frontals, and when I do, it's not like so much glue. Like, I feel like the glue, for me, I don't know if you can tell, but I could see some white parts of the glue, which I wasn't too happy about, but you know what, it's okay. I think I did a decent job. I'm gonna come out with a video showing other ways that you could lay your frontal without the whole hassle and stuff like that. But that's it, guys. I was still playing with the baby hairs. Please ignore the white parts that you could see from the glue. I don't know, like, I just later discovered that I could have used rubbing alcohol just to get rid of the white residues, but that was too late. I already did the video. So that's the finished result. I hope you guys liked it. I hope I did a decent job, at least. Like, I think I did okay. I scarfed it down, and the scarf kind of took away some of the white residues, so thank God. I think I like the results, and thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Always thank you for supporting me, and I will see you guys in my next video. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, I'm watching you. Hit that subscribe button right now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.